are different colors. Then some hooks to attach. Then the tools needed for this is something like hook shape. Here you can see the hook, and you can see over here it will be like this. You might be having like this, or you might be having like two type, like this type. In a U shape it will be like that, or you can use your two fingers like this. Now let's start with it here. So first you have to take the tool over here, this one. So then here I am taking starting from white. Here you have to put it over here. Then you have to put it in crossword shape. See here, it comes in the cross. Next, here you have to pull it down. Next, I am adding one more white also. And one more. You have to add 3 of them for this. Now you have to take this hook, and over here you can see, so you will be having a hole like you can put it inside. So here you can see here my hook came out. Then pull it, then it comes like this. Then again over here, then again pull it, then it comes like this. So it comes like this. See, it comes like 2 of them like this. Then pull it down, okay? If you are not sure that it may come out, if you're doubted like it may come out, you can pull it here and attach the hook immediately if you want. I am attaching it. Next color I am going to purple. See, I have attached it. Then here it's the different trick over here. Again here, before I have done it over here, instead of that here you have to go to the second one, 2. So white is the second one here. You have to pull the last one and you have to pull it over here. Then it comes up on the purple one. The same thing over here. Again pull it, go inside the second one, rubber band, then pull the last rubber band, means the third rubber band. So this is the first, purple rubber band is the first, then white. So we are pulling the last white outside. Next I can do that. Next I am taking one more purple. Then again here. So purple last is the white. So we have to pull the white one. So I am putting here. Then I am pulling it from the second one. Always remember that to pull it from the second one, go in the second one, then pull it the last one. See, it comes like this. See here, it comes like this. So here also the same. I can go here, then do it like this. Then pull it little bit. You have to pull it, not too much, or else it may get cut. Next here, again here one more. So this is my last purple, then I'll go to the next color. Again here, go inside in the second one, then pull the last one. Then again go inside the second one, then pull the last one. See here, it makes these type design. At last you have to see, it will be very beautiful. Next we'll go to the color blue. Again same, attach it. Then here. Then pull the last one. Then again go to the second one, pull the last one. It might happen sometimes like you may pull the first one over here, this one, the blue one. By mistakenly you might be pulling it out. You have to be very careful, like how I have done it just now. Then again pull it. Then one more blue. Then I didn't pull it, I pull it. Then again here I have to do it like this. Then go to the second one. Then pull the last one. your hands also, but it would be very tough. So only we use tools for this. Next, here we are going to do the pink one. So I'm attaching pink. Then from the same rule, go from the second one, pull the last one. Go from the second one, then pull the last one. So like that you be doing it, and the small tips, you can do it as a ring also by doing it. Little more if you do, then you have to always measure it. See here, you have to measure it, then you have to hook it. I'll say you it after I come in that step. So I can go from the second one, then to the last one. Then from the second one to the last one. Then pull it. Then again from the second one to the last one. It might be having little more, it will take a lot of time, but it will come with good. It will be very beautiful to be seen. See here? You feel it, it's so good. Then again I went to orange one, then from second one to the last one. Then pull it. Now here you have done here half a way. Here you have to just check the measurement of your hand and then joint it. So to joint it, first here you can see after. You have to not add the last one more one. Here you will get 2, 2. Okay? So you have to take that 2. Then put it in that. You have to make it as 1. Then it will come like that. Then pull it. Then put it in your hand like this. You have to make it bricks. Then here you have to put the hook inside it. Then leave it. That's how you get it joint. So here I finished my bracelet. Now let's try it on my hand. See this? It's so beautiful. Here. It's so beautiful. See the design, how we have done it. See the back, see the side and this side.